All right, so for these practice problems, I do want to run through a few things with you just so you know what you're kind of doing today. First thing I want to point out is that if you go down to 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, you'll notice decimeters cubed, dm cubed. That is a measurement of volume. So we have 1 decimeter times 1 decimeter times 1 decimeter being the volume. 1 decimeter cubed is equal to 1 liter. Okay, so we're used to the molar volume being in liters. Technically, decimeters cubed is the exact same thing. For 13, it's given in centimeters cubed as a volume, so you'll have to go from centimeters cubed to decimeters cubed to liters, which is a one-to-one thing. So I'll run through that conversion, but first we're going to run through problem number 1 together, just so that we kind of know what's going on here. So I'm going to expand my video a little bit. Okay. And we will go to the board. I'll try to write nice and big for you so you can see it. Okay, so we're starting with 3.01 times 10. I'm going to put E23 molecules. I'm going to put MLC of N2. Okay, so that's what we know. The conversion that we have is that there's 22.4 liters in 1 mole. Okay, so can we go directly from molecules to liters? Not quite. We're going to have to convert to moles first. Okay, not 22.4 liters per 1 molecule, it's per 1 mole. Okay, so my first step here is going to be going from molecules to moles. How do I do that? Okay, simply Avogadro's number. Okay, so in 1 mole, we have 6.02 E23 molecules. There, because it ran out of room. Okay, so then our unit for molecules is going to cancel out, and we end up with moles. Okay, so in your calculator, where you're going to put, don't forget to use parentheses, open parentheses, 3.01 E23. Then I'm going to do close parentheses, multiply by 1, so that's the same, divided by Avogadro's number. So I'm going to do divided, open parentheses, 6.02 E23, close parentheses, and press enter. That gives me 0.5 moles. Okay, are we done yet? No, because it asks to convert to volume. So now, since I have moles, I can use this conversion factor up here. I'm going to keep the liters on top because in the end, that's what I'm going to want. I'm going to have 22.4 liters over 1 mole. Okay. Moles are going to cancel.
Excuse me, teachers, could I have your attention, please? Linda Edwards still has 7 individual whiteboards. If any of you would like those, you may claim them from Linda's room 214.
We're still figuring things out here. All right. So I take half my mole, my half mole, I'm going to multiply my conversion factor. That gives me 11.2 liters for number 1. So that is my answer to number 1. Okay.